Previously, I showed you how to use these relay modules in the Lululemon mirror to turn on the panel. And if nobody's there, it's going to turn the panel off as well. Unfortunately, these relays make that loud clicking sound. It's not super loud, but it's kind of annoying, and it's definitely there. It ruins the magical experience of standing in front of a mirror and then the mirror turning itself on. So I did some research and I found out there is a solution, and the solution is solid-state relay modules. These relays work by flipping the circuit on or off, and it does not make any clicking sound whatsoever. It is totally deadly quiet, silent, no noise whatsoever coming out of it at all. The code that we used previously applies here as well. There is no difference in software-wise whatsoever. The only difference is wiring. Size-wise, these two boards are almost identical in size, but of course the price is a little bit different. But I don't think it's that bad because I think it's totally worth it with no noise operation whatsoever. Here's an up-close look at the board. You got the power supply, ground, and data signal. All of these three are going into the Raspberry Pi. If you need additional help with wiring, please refer to the previous video as seen here. Next up, this blue wire and this green wire right here is for the contacts of the TV panel. By default, this relay is in the off position, and when it receives the data signal from the Raspberry Pi, then it's going to flip it to on, meaning that this two circuit right here will connect, thereby activating the panel of the TV to turn on. And once it's disengaged, once the Raspberry Pi sends the signal to turn off, then the blue and the green wire will disconnect, thereby flipping the panel off. Perfect. Let's zoom out a little bit. Here you can see in the back of the relay, there's 4 contacts. I have no idea what these are, and I didn't use them. If you do know, please let me know in the comment section below. So yeah, for this project, all I needed was these 4 contacts down the bottom row. Alright, hopefully this video helps you on how to use solid-state relay for your projects. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.